Alright, back here again with Kevin Civic. Finally got the clear coat in. Of course, we always had the paint. Featuring the Civic I totaled today. Hell yeah. So, what the? Damn it. So, today we're gonna go ahead, get this all wet, hit it with some gray Scotch-Brite. Try to get some of the imperfections out. Like here and there, there's yeah, you can kind of see it right here, right there. There's some blemishes, especially like right here, like yeah, that's no good. So we're gonna go ahead and get that knocked out. I'm trying to think if there's paper towels in here, but yeah, like right there, right there. Yeah, just go ahead and get this handled. paint dry for about 30 minutes now. Looks pretty good. I don't see, as I say that, I see something pretty fucking solid, if I'd say so. You know, it ain't no, what do you call it? It ain't no fucking gun, but yeah. Letting the clear coat cook up right now. I get started. Not sure if I ever recorded a proper video to Kevin's engine bay after we finished it all, since my camera died, but I'd say it came out pretty solid. There's a few spots that we will have to touch up. Other than that, for a rattle can, cannot complain at all. Today's task is getting this subframe cleaned up, and getting prepped for paint. Getting this again all cleaned up, power steering rack all cleaned up. Not crazy, you know, but just looks really busted right now. He got this Mishimoto radiator with the car. You know, it's all right. I haven't heard the best things about Mishimoto. I know they're really popular, but I don't know. You know, if it works, it works. It's another $200-300 he doesn't have to spend. So we're going to be refreshing that up in another video. These knuckles are going to have to be refreshed and taken apart soon. Yep, this is going to be another task in itself. We actually got a bunch of parts in for this. And the whole top end dress up kit. So these bolts right here, these ones of course. This harness has to be completely done. This is just the ground, I think. Yeah, the ground. But this harness is getting completely redone. Everything taken off, reloomed, retaped, busted. Still heavily debating on painting this engine block. You know, I can get these things really clean. You know, I've developed my own method of doing things, and I've gotten it, you know, really clean. But I don't know. Like, I've seen some solid paint jobs. I'm usually against it. I really like the clean raw finish, but I'm just afraid that some of this is gonna stand out in this freshly painted bay.
you know, it's, I don't know. When the time comes, you know, we'll decide then. But for now, we're gonna be focusing on the subframe again, getting it all cleaned up. It's fucking so gross, but yeah. Once we get it cleaned up, we're gonna prep it. Probably won't. We'll prime some of the areas, like this rust. We're gonna have to neutralize it and whatnot. Rust in California, would you imagine that? I just pulled the subframe and it had no rust, so that's interesting. I mean, that is that the side where the brake master goes? No, what's on this side? I don't know why there's rust, because again, there's where the rack pulls through. I don't know why there's rust there, but yeah. Got everything all painted up. Staying back here so y'all guys don't see all the defects and shit. How far am I right now? Like 5 feet, 10 feet? Shit. Is it a 10 footer? Ain't nothing wrong with that though.
She gonna be on the car.
It's a street car. Ain't no show car.